There once was a boy. He lived life too dangerously. And now he's back. Ernie Rommel in Silence.
That's not what I meant to play.
There was a boy.
Someone needs to call me. I can't find my own ringtone. It's not even worth it anymore. I was gonna walk in slow-mo to Gangster's Paradise. Be all cool.
Hi, welcome to Game Testers. I'm Craig.
I'm Brandon.
I'm Jesse! We took the liberty of dressing up like each other.
Sexy.
What's going on there?
Baby.
She's got a jug.
I will slowly destroy you.
You know what day it is, right?
Kitties!
Nope.
So wet. Wait, you got balance on.
This is the story of a mother really trying.
Ever since my mother died, my father became a saint. Doesn't make no. Do you just want to have sex?
Go
I mean, it
fireworks.
doesn't really matter because you can just.
Are you wet, Brandon?
Rough time. Eagle. Eagle.
You have a small head like me.
USA.
This doesn't even stay. Ow! Stay on my head. I have such a small head.
You know what you're doing? Yeah. Going through things, sir. This is trying to solve your life decision. A bit? Peace. I think it's your peace. That's the one right here. USA? USA! What's that? I heart you. I'm looking through the stairs. I think I'm ready.
Oh, baby, can I peel you?
Please do.
Where in the do I keep on losing these steps?
Slowly. Slower. Is it coming out terrible? Is it bad?
It looks like someone on your face and then licked it.
Explosion on your face.
Probably with a lollipop makes it all better.
Selfie Sunday. Okay. Game on! I don't know what happened. We find the wild Patrick. He likes. There's a. It's a mating season. This happens every year. They fight over who wants to rape who.
So that just happened. Not really leaving.
Besides the fact, in June they found out that
I'm gonna pee on you.
that wouldn't show
Yes.
up on blood.
Greg's mercantile.
Now, how the f am I gonna hear the orders if they have to yell it over there? I'm right here. American capitalist pig dogs. I'm going back to Ireland. Y'all.
Alright, alright, alright. Right tube!
I'm a dead fish.
What river is this?
Delaware.
It is a Delaware, okay.
Delaware.
Delaware!
George Washington can himself.
Abstinence only.
Abstinence.
I'm Bristol Palin here. Abstinence only. Thanks very much. This is Trig.
Trigonometry.
Trigonometry. I named him after my least favorite subject in high school.
No one loves me.
I failed that year.
I'm going down swings. How's it going? I'm going down! I'm going down! Ah!
Oh, get out.
Yeah. Oh!
Danny Boo? Excuse me,
Is that really a roll?
Go and load her, and then we'll figure out something by then.
You heard the man. Go and load her.
Okay,
Disgusting.
I forgot how to crack her.
You got something on your mouth.
Yep. You should all do it at the same time. What?
You know what I hate?
Nobody cares!
He took one for the team. Hey! Hey!
Got it all down the front of them.
Behind the scenes footage here.
I have one eye.
Let's say, look at his picture. He's like, hey! Well, hello! Craig? Craig?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Climbing a tree. It's not funny.
It's kind of funny.
You climb a tree and have that happen.
I can't climb a tree.
Don't do it to me.
Well, you can climb a tree.
I know I can.
So do it.
We'll pull him down. Let's see if we can
I
climb
won't
it.
pull you down. I promise. Pinky, swear. Well, no pinky. He's using his humping muscles.
Just kept slipping.
They obviously don't work very well.
First time I've been fine. So my ring started falling off.
I want to climb the tree. I'm going to climb it. with my hands and my feet. Ow. I feel like my arms just ripped out of their socket.
GG! This is Donnie and his journey to greatness. Stay tuned.
All the single ladies, 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 all the single ladies. That's right. Hit me up.